Okay, people, we are out here putting the brakes on the V. We outside. So, we got the power tools. I just changed the oil. What is up, guys? So I'm just letting this play out just so y'all can see what's going on and all the stuff. This is my landlord. So he's like a mechanic, right? And so he's fixing the brakes on this car, and like his friend, well, I don't know if they're friends, but they just hit him up to get his car fixed, and then they just bring the car over and he'll fix it right in the driveway like it's nothing.
First of all, I need to lose the force.
Bro, I promise you on my life, I'm standing here crying, laughing, because it's like I have no idea what's going on. And I'm just like, this guy is seriously like I have no idea what's going on. And he's just like, no fear, just going at it. And I'm almost like, I'm standing here wondering, like, there's no way this guy knows what he's doing. If y'all are like car people, y'all are probably like, oh yeah, simple job. But to me, like, this dude is just like, what is he even doing, bro? Like, yeah, right. There's no way. Listen, I ain't gonna hold you. I'll stop recording, but I promise you I was crying, laughing. Like, if he had turned around and saw me, bro. But he literally did not turn around the whole time. He popped something over there. And I promise you, on my life, I was literally crying, laughing. See, I didn't believe he could do it, but he did it. Oh, but he had the wrong part, so he put it on there. Wrong part. Bro, this man has no fear. I don't know what he's doing at all. If you're a car person, leave a comment, because I don't know what's going on. Like, seriously, I'm looking at this like, dude, you just broke the whole car, bro. Okay, see, he thought that they're the same size part. They're different. But anyways, so now we are on our way to Pahrump here. If y'all know what Pahrump is, it's like an hour north of Las Vegas. What up, doggo G's?
What?
I'm just saying what's up to okay, so my landlord has a property in Pahrump. This dude has a peacock, like is nothing. He's like, yeah, y'all know I come with just that lives in the tree. This peacock just lives in the tree. Over here. Now listen, boys and girls. What up, bruh? What's poppin', gang? What up, peacock? What's poppin', gang? We outside, like, it's lit.
House around that, make the canal around it.
Okay, you guys recognize that blue car? You're gonna make a canal in here?
No, canal in the bowl, around the bowl. The small canal, you know, small.
Does that thing live in there?
Yeah, he living in. You live here. You live in here.
Oh, damn.
Sit here at night.
That's crazy.
You know? Sometimes hungry, go inside eat the food over here.
How did it get here?
No, I bring over here.
Is that legal?
My item, yeah.
Your pet?
Yeah.
Oh.
4. You see? See the big, you see from here, you see the big one inside.
Oh, there's another one? Oh,
You remember?
nice.
You
Yeah.
remember before?
Yeah.
He's the father. Look at the father, but not father, you know?
So I pretty much, I'm trying to figure out some way to convert that property into like some land or something.
And it turns out
Yeah,
that
this was like the drive
ledger
back.
line app
Pretty fine. The mountains are crazy.
Phishing or a phishing scam, as they call it. So it was a fake app, and he ended up losing somewhere around $500,000, $400 something $1,000, which is just unfortunate because a lot of it was a part of his retirement fund. And so I saw it and I thought that I had to make you guys aware as soon as possible, because God forbid that
Bro, that doesn't even look real, bro. Dang, that looks like a movie.
because it's very sneaky. It's very effective. That scam is very, very effective, guys. It could most definitely happen to me, because if you were to get a new device and you want to...
What up, people? We are doing the engine swap right now. We're about to swap the engine. I'm doing some... Okay, so I thought that the shirt was gonna come out better. I put like motor oil all over the shirt. It looks terrible now. So basically, he's like swapping the engine out, and I'm just changing the oil, letting out the transmission fluid, like taking the tires off, like simple stuff. I'm not sure how long I should let this clip play. It was a pretty long clip, but like I'm sitting here at the Chinese food restaurant. If y'all OGs, y'all know about me being at the Chinese food restaurant, playing games, streaming. You know what I'm saying? But this is my landlord. He's friends with the Chinese food owners spot, so you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, I don't really know what's going on. I think I'm just trying to untwist something. I don't really know, bro. Alright.
What?
Yeah, let's see what happens. Pull the alternator.
Yeah. Hold on. Push 6. Pipe off. Lock it.
Let's see what we
Big
got.
tire. Pipe 6. Screwdriver. Big one. Huge one. Okay. Okay, here, loose this ball. One in the bottom, 2 or 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, okay? And be careful the wire, don't block it, okay? Loose the center and then or you can loose the bracket first.
So which ones is one.
You could, I think you take this. Oh no, this is not easy, huh? This make it separate. Yeah, this is easy. Take this bracket off first.
All right, people. We are about to start the engine swap action. We got the hoist going. You feel me? I'm trying to tell y'all it's getting serious. We're almost done with this. Shake the fro. We check the throat. If we hit one more, that's it. Dang. Getting the engine swap. About to put a Hellcat engine in here. Hellcat. Putting a Hellcat engine in the Nissan Versa. We just pulled the engine out. You know what I'm saying? We're about to put the Hellcat engine in there. Wee.